my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today we are doing this Valentine's Day look, which is pretty extra. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty New Nude palette to create this look, and also some glitter from ColourPop. And anyways, I hope you like this look, and I hope you enjoy watching. And if you want to see how I created this, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright, so this eye is already done, and this eye is already primed and ready. And so I'm using the Huda New Nude palette today. And so the first shade I'm going to start off with is this pink shade right here called Tickle. And I'm taking that on this fluffy brush here, and this is just going to go all in my crease. And I'm just gonna have it like very blended out. Making sure to bring it all the way in, because when we do the cut crease, we want it to really like stand out. And so if we bring all the colors into here, then it will help it to stand out more. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here called Raw, and we're going to put that basically like right under that shade, still in the crease but just not going as high. And again, bringing it all the way in. And then once we've got like most of the product off of the brush, we're just going to work on blending these shades together. And now for the outer corner, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Spanked, and I'm going to use this flat brush here and just packing that into my outer corner. And you can bring a little bit of this shade into the crease and bring it all the way in. And then I'm going to go into the shade right beside it called Love Bite. It's just kind of a darker purplish color. And I'm just taking the same brush and I'm putting that also in my outer corner just to darken it up a little. Now going back into the fluffy brush, we're going to blend this all together so that we do not have any harsh lines. And now I'm going to cut my crease using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach, and I'm using this flat brush here. And I'm just getting a little bit of this on the tip of the brush.
I'm just going a little over halfway.
And then I'm going to blend out that edge with my finger. And then I'm going to take this flat brush here and take this shade right here called Play and put that all over the lid where we just put that concealer. And this is what is just going right over the concealer. I didn't set it with anything before this. It takes a little bit to like build up this color just because it is so light. But it looks nice once it's like built up. It's sort of like a peachy type color. Now I'm just gonna take a tiny bit onto my finger just to make sure we got it all packed on there good. And going back into this flat brush and the deep pinkish color. And just putting that right back over this edge. Putting a little bit right here. Right above where we cut that crease to make it stand out some more. Going back into the fluffy brush to blend it, because we definitely don't want any harsh lines. And now I'm going to go into this metallic shade right here called Kinky. And I'm going to put that right where these two colors meet. And now with this fluffy brush, I'm going to go back into that very first shade we took called Tickle. I put that right under the lower lash line. And then taking the brush we took the darker colors on and putting that right on the lower lash line as well, closer to the lashes. And now I'm taking this ColourPop Glittery Obsessed. This is Glittery Obsessed Body Glitter in the shade Hopeless Romantic. This just came in their Ulta exclusive Valentine's Day collection. Not the All That palette, but the You Are a Cutie palette. This is in that collection. And so, let's see, where did my brush go? I'm just going to take this little tiny brush here and get a little bit of just the glitters. I don't know if you can tell, but there are like hearts in here. And we're going to take one of the hearts in a second, but right now we're just getting a little bit of just the glitter and putting that right in the inner corner. And then there are different size and colored hearts, but I'm going to take one of the pink hearts, and that is one of the bigger ones. I'm using this little tool here. You can use tweezers, but I cannot find my tweezers right now, or else I would be using tweezers. And I'm going to grab just one of the pink hearts. It will still have a little bit of like the glittery stuff on it, but that's okay. So now we're going to add it right under the eye like we did this one. This is gonna be a little bit hard to apply. Okay, so I have it on, but it's sideways, so now I need to move it to where it's the right side. So now I'm going to be using, what the heck did I do with my mascara? Here it is, my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm just going to coat my lashes with this, and then I'm going to apply some falsies. So let me fix this and add on some falsies, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I chose some pretty dramatic lashes because, you know, Valentine's Day, which, I mean, of course you can pick whatever type of lashes you want, or just go without lashes, which would be completely fine. Anyways, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!